Everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to view hidden viewers on Facebook story on iOS. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open up your Facebook story and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, then go to settings and privacy and actually just go back and click on create a story. And here if I for example select the story and make it public, and here anyone can view my story. So everyone who is your friend or following you on Facebook, you will be able to see their views on your Facebook story. However, if they are not following you or they are not added as a friend on your Facebook profile, unfortunately you cannot see their names, but you will see them as a hidden viewer. So there's no way around it to see their actual names. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this video to be somewhat informative, then thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.